If you want to know what link juice is and how it works to boost your website's SEO, you are in the right place. Hello everyone, welcome back to makblogs SEO content writing course. I am your dedicated instructor from makblogs. In today's lecture, which is lecture 38, we will be exploring the concept of link juice and understanding how it works in the realm of SEO. Link juice is a crucial aspect of optimizing your website for search engines, and it's essential to grasp its significance. Before we proceed further, I want to let you know that you can access the complete makblogs SEO content writing course playlist by clicking the link in the description box or using the I option above. So let's get started. Now let's explore the fascinating world of link juice. What is link juice? First and foremost, let's define what link juice is. Link juice is a term used in SEO to describe the value or equity passed from one web page to another through hyperlinks. It represents the authority and ranking power that a particular link can transmit to the linked page. Got it? In simpler terms, link juice is like a vote of confidence from one web page to another, influencing its search engine ranking. Got it? Now, let's delve into how link juice works. When one web page links to another, it's essentially sharing a portion of its SEO authority and trustworthiness. Got it? Search engines view these links as endorsements or recommendations. Got it? High quality and authoritative websites have more link juice to pass, making their outbound links valuable. The linked page receives this equity, which can boost its own authority and improve its chances of ranking well in search engine results. Got it? Now, factors affecting link juice. Several factors influence the amount of link juice passed from one page to another. First, we have source authority. The authority and credibility of the linking page matter. Link from reputable sources carry more link juice. Got it? Relevance. Links from pages with content related to the linked page tend to pass more link juice. Got it? Now, we have anchor text. The text used in the hyperlink can impact how link juice is distributed. And in last, follow versus no follow. Follow links pass link juice while no follow links do not. In our upcoming lectures, we will delve into the details of both follow and no follow links, explaining how they function. So, there is no need to worry or feel overwhelmed about it at this point. Got it? So, now strategies for maximizing link juice. To make the most of link juice, consider these strategies. First, we have build high quality backlinks. Focus on obtaining links from authoritative and relevant sources. Use internal links to distribute link juice within your own website. Use descriptive and relevant anchor text in your links. Understand when to use no follow links to prevent the leakage of link juice. And in last, high quality content attracts natural backlinks and retains link juice. Got it? So now let's discuss the role of link juice in SEO. Link juice plays a pivotal role in SEO. It influences a web page's authority and search engine ranking. Effective link juice distribution can improve a website's overall SEO performance. A strong backlink profile with quality link juice contributes to better search visibility. In conclusion, we can say that link juice is a valuable concept in SEO that defines the transfer of authority and ranking power between web pages through hyperlinks. Understanding how link juice works and optimizing its distribution is essential for SEO success. Stay tuned for our upcoming lessons where we will continue to explore advanced SEO content writing techniques. To enhance your learning experience, please subscribe, like this video if you found it helpful, and engage in discussions by leaving comments and asking questions. Thank you for joining us in lecture 38, where we discussed link juice and its role in SEO. If you are looking for exceptional digital services like SEO, content writing and more, visit our website or contact us now. We are here to support your online success. Keep learning and get ready for our upcoming lessons. Your journey to becoming a skilled SEO content writer continues.